Ever thought a simple binder clip could be so useful? In this video we'll show you surprising ways to transform binder clips into practical tools for organizing, crafting, and even home repairs. Let's unlock the full potential of these everyday items. Ready to get creative with binder clips? Let's get started! Remove the spring from the binder clip. Make holes in the pliers handles and insert the spring. Now your tool will open automatically. Take an old brush and remove the bristles. Drill a hole in the brush handle. Also make a hole in the binder clip. Attach the binder clip to the brush. Secure the sponge in the binder clip. Now you have a tool for applying with stain or doing other painting work. Use the binder clip as a soldering iron stand, convenient and safe. The binder clip also holds tweezers well for soldering small parts. Cut a piece of rubber from an old bicycle tube to fit the binder clip. Make holes in it and thread the metal handles of the binder clip through. Now the binder clip is safe for securing fragile items. Take a binder handle, cut the ends, and insert the loop into the soldering iron instead of the tip. Now you can repair plastic by carefully heating the joints. Cut the handle from an old canister and screw it to the board. Then secure binder clips on the sides. Insert sandpaper into the binder clips and you have a handy sanding tool. Simply attach a flashlight to your cap using a binder clip and you have a convenient light for working in the dark. Mount binder clips on the wall using screws, and you have a convenient storage space for screwdrivers and other tools. Attach binder clips to the edge of the table and insert screwdrivers or other tools into their handles. Convenient and quick storage at hand. Clamp the tool with a binder clip and hang it by the handle on a nail on the wall. An easy way to store tools in plain sight. Attach binder clips to the edge of the table and thread cables through their handles, like USB cables. Now cables stay in place and don't tangle. Use 2 binder clips as legs for a photo, a simple way to display it on a table. Use a binder clip handle as a soldering iron stand. Put it on the middle part and the soldering iron will stand steadily on the table. Can't draw a straight line? Try making a simple tool. Secure a ruler to the board with 2 binder clips. Now you can easily slide the ruler in the clips to draw perfect straight lines. Attach 2 spoons to the binder clip handles using tape and you have kitchen tongs. Perfect for taking out eggs or serving salads. Remove bristles from a brush and attach 2 metal bottle caps. Then secure the fish to the board using a binder clip. Now cleaning fish is much easier. Attach a pencil to a measuring tape using a binder clip. Now making marks will be much easier. Insert one binder clip into another and you have a convenient phone stand. And here's another version of a phone stand using binder clips. And this is how you can make a car phone holder. Use a binder clip to organize cables, like USB or headphones. No more tangled wires. Attach a binder clip to the edge of a cup or container with yarn and thread it through the handles. Now the thread will run smoothly without tangling. Attach a binder clip to the lid and use it as a hot glue gun stand. Excess glue will neatly drip into the lid. Put a binder clip on the razor blade, and now you can safely carry it in your backpack without fear of cuts and damage. Roll up an almost empty toothpaste tube and secure it with a binder clip. This way you can use the paste until the very last drop. Attach 2 ice cream sticks to a binder clip. Now you can easily seal an open bag of chips with this clip. That's all for today. See you soon!